These directions will take you step by step through the assignment for online session 2. You can find the graphic organizer in the learning module for online session 2. If you have forgotten how to access the learning module, review the process spelled out in detail in the online session 1 instructional video. Click on the learning module in the course website. You will see a screen with this assignment. Now you have a choice to make. How can you be sure that students have learned what you set out to teach? Look again at what you did over the past week and reflect on whether or not your developments, summaries, and homework assignments supported the aims of your lessons. Think of the aim as a destination and the activities as a roadmap to be sure you get there in the summary. The homework uses this destination to find out more about it. You are including this step to fix the definitions of the lesson elements more firmly in your mind. Analyzing these parts of the lesson allows you to connect English content not only with New York State standards and the school curriculum, but also with the lesson's relevance to students' lives and the real world. The key here is to get this done in one period and provide some success experiences for all students. This is a tall order for the teacher. Let's look at one lesson as an example based on the poetry unit I have included in your learning module as a model. The aim is posed as a question asking students to distinguish between similes and metaphors. To support the aim, first students write 3 similes and 3 metaphors, with the difference being only the words like or as. Next, they compare their work with another student's so they are active in the process of their constructivist learning. Third, they find examples in other works with similes and metaphors and fill in a chart so the teacher and student have tangible evidence of the youngster's understanding. The lesson is summarized by having each youngster define the poetic devices, another constructivist activity in which the student makes his or her own meaning of new information based on experiential background developed in the lesson. The homework and extra credit assignment for gifted, talented, or motivated students supports the aim because the figurative language is now being used on the highest level of Bloom's taxonomy of thinking, creativity. Pre-service teachers will go back to the aim of the effective lesson they did for online session 1. You have already copied and pasted it following these instructions. Remember to use only the aim from the effective lesson for this assignment. Pre-service teachers are now ready to do an analysis of how the activities, final summary, and homework support the aim of the more effective complete lesson they downloaded. Finally, compare your answer to the qualities in the rubric.